my vlog. It's Mayora. Welcome to my vlog. It's Mayora. Hi guys. Today is unboxing day. Smile over the greatness. Okay? I just shopping. Yeah, from Namshi. Yes, guys. Guys, dito tayo. Kasi marami nang i-istorbo doon. Okay? Unboxing tayo, guys. Surprise! Ito siya, guys. Uy, nahulog. Guys, it's Nike. What is this? It's one check. Yes. It's size 7.5, 6, and it's Nike. Wow! And this is the one, guys. Yes! For our uniform, so it's cost of 181 only, guys. And you can use your tabby. Tabby, guys, it means, ano siya? Yung parang hulugan. You have a card payment and you can pay for 3 months. So, you can do shopping and how much the cost is divided into 4. That is the tabby. Ito na, guys. Ito na. Babalik natin sa kanyang lalagyan. And next, yes! Guys, panty siya. Tinabi namin from Brand for Less. It's Levi's. Guys, tingnan nyo, Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 15 pieces, guys, for 15 dirhams. I order from Brand for Less. Okay. Now we will fold it and put it this one. See, and that is the next one is Harley. See, look at this, guys. It's Harley brand. It's a panty bra. Black and pink, guys. Yeah, the same. It's a sport bra. Yeah. This is the one. Ito siya, guys. They are the same. Yung kanina, it's a black. And this is the sport bra. It's 2. So, only 30 dirhams. It's 15 dirhams each. Yeah. It's so nice. Ayan, guys, lang. Keep yourself. Sabi nga, keep yourself. And guys, yun na nga. Ito na nga. Laman ng ating mga boxes. Ew! Guys, ito na naman siya. Another sport bra. Yes, look at this. Pretty. Yeah, take it. Yeah, sa'yo na lang yan. Okay, guys, ako cute. Oh, guys, para sa apo. Sa apo ng lola nyo. See? Si Mayora is may apo na. So, ito na lang ang kanya. Yes. Ayan, guys. Oh, ang dami. This, another one. Ito na nga guys. Ito na nga. Dahil nagpapamusic sila, lumalabas ako. Para papatay yung music guys. Alam mo naman. Alam niyo naman, very sensitive si Lolo. So, another panty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diba? Ang dami guys. Sa apo. Yun guys. Alam nyo guys, masarap mag-shopping sa Tabi. Kasi example, you have 200, then you pay 50, then you have remaining 150, and you will pay for 3 months. So every month is 50 only, no interest. And guys, imagine it's a Levi's. See, it's 15 dirhams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, sa 15, 5 na. And take note, is Levi's. Okay? Guys, kahit hindi maglaban ng isang buwan, ang nanay ng apo ko, ba? Hindi siya maubusan ng panty. Saka sport bra. Ito pa guys, oh. Same. Inubusan namin ata ang Levi's sa ano. Sa brand for list guys. See, it's Levi's. The same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, diba? Ang galing-galing. Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa siya guys. So, may isa na naman. So guys, ayun oh, ang cute. Positive mind. Guys, be positive. Be positive. Yun. Ito kasi 15 dirhams per 2. Diba guys? Kaya, sa mga gusto mag-shopping, mag-Tabi na. Ako, partnership na ako ng Tabi. Bibigyan na nila ako ng diskwento nito. Pinapromote ko sila. Okay. Guys, ang dami panty. Guys, same. Kasi balak guys, magtitipid ang mami. Isang buwan ata hindi maglalaba. So, maraming panty. Ilang panty to? Oh guys, imagine mo 4. So, 20 pieces na panty. Oh, kulang pa siya ng 10 para once a day sa 1 month. Once a day. Pero diba guys, dapat twice. Kasi morning, evening, kahit twice lang. If may time sa bahay ka, pwede ka mag-3-4. Ay guys, ito excited. It's a bra. Ay sorry. It's a dress top. Hindi sa bra. May bra ba ganito kalapat? Hindi. Diba? Yan guys. Oh, leading lady na to ngayon si Maring. Guys, si Maring leading lady. Alam mo ba? See? Oh my God! Makikita na yung mga muscle. See guys? Oh, cute. Guys, oh, garterize. Ganito. Oh, diba? Yeah, it's a dress. It's a dress, mama. Yeah. It's nice quality. Nahulog yung ano. Ha? Yeah. Very nice. Wow, guys, ang ganda. No? Ito siya. Magkano to? Oh, 39 lang, guys. 39 US dollar. Okay? US dollar. Ang mahal. Pero okay lang, guys. Kasi, you can pay up to 3 months. Yeah. Ito na, guys. See? Punong-puno na yung una. Ito na, guys. Oh, punong-puno na. Isang carton na. Ayan. And one more. And last. Guys. Last na siya. It's a towel. blanket towel. Blanket towel. I will open. You want to see, guys? See? Kasi para lang siya si Maring na nagpupopo, nakaganito. Ang cute. Oh, guys, ang cute. Say, ganon. Wow, guys. Wala, ang ganda. Gusto ko siya, Maring. Gusto ko siya. It's very nice, guys, ang quality. Super lambot. Yeah. Lakas makayaman. Oh, diba? Parang lamig na lamig. Gusto ko siya. Ayan guys, hope nag-enjoy kayo. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell. Like, shares, and comment.